Hello GoHighLevelers, how are you guys? Today video we are going to learn about brand new features of GoHighLevel that's called brand boards, and it's a new features just live in the last week. So let's dive in a video and I will show you how you can use it and how you can take benefit to design your funnels, your websites. Yeah, go to settings, it's super easy. Go to your Go settings and you see there is a, and it's also have label of new brand new features. Click on brand boards. Here you can use your brand board features. Just click on a new, and here you can see they have their own built-in brand colors and branded things. So yeah, we will use one of them here, or we can create our custom here. And what is a brand board? Brand board is a we can use for our designing purpose. We will design funnels, we will design website, and before designing funnels and website, we will decide how which color we are going to use, which brand color we are primary, and which brand color is a secondary, and which logo we are going to use, which fonts we are going to use. It's a brand necessary thing. So let's try this one. See, we have all the things here. You can upload your logo here. You have already uploaded in a GoHighLevel, then select. Otherwise you can upload from here, and for our example I can say that yeah, I have this logo, and then upload. If you have two logos, for example you have different logo for mobile, different logo for different device, so you can use the other logo as well. So after that we can go to the colors, and here we can add colors, and it's totally depend on you, and you can select your color here, and you can use according to the color codes here. And we can say this one want to add here, just click here and add the new color. And after that we are going to use font is a primary font and it's a secondary font. You see, they also have sample as well. So when all the things are done, and we can say that our new brand, we can save it. We can create folder as well, and okay, go back, and here you have, here you can see your all boards. You can edit here, you can delete here, and you can clone here. So your board is live. You can send someone to make it publish, and after that you can send it someone to your team member, your designer, and you can take help from your, yeah, that's it from this video, and that's how you can use your board. Thank you so much for watching this.